Hello, my name is Angie Caterina Montaña Rodriguez. For today, I read a text about why bridges collapse. Some of the biggest and most expensive transportation projects in the world have involved building bridges. Bridges are crucial links that carry cars, trucks, and trains across bodies of water, mountain gorges, or their roads. As a result, they are one of the most important aspects of civil engineering and are subject to intense scrutiny, especially when they collapse. Bridge collapses can be tragic events leading to loss of life and serious property damage. That's why bridge engineers, designers, and builders must always take their jobs very seriously. The best way for them to prevent this accident is to standard why bridges collapse in the first place. Understanding bridge collapses can lead to major changes in basic construction and safety of future building projects. The following are main reasons why bridges fall. Fire. Historically, more bridges were made of wood and were much more susceptible to fire. This was particularly true of old-fashioned train bridges, where the spar created by the steel wheels and steel tracks could sometimes cause bridges to catch fire burn to the ground. During construction, a large number of bridge accidents occur during the construction of the bridge itself. These accidents are often due to an error made by the engineers, such as miscalculation. The bridge collapses under its own weight, and this can be deadly for the worker on it at the time. Earthquakes. Earthquakes damage all structures, including bridges. Luckily, this kind of collapse is relatively infrequent, especially with modern bridges. Engineers have learned to design bridges in earthquake zones or areas that are much more resistant to movement. B defect. Some bridges collapse are mystery, and engineers only realize why after they conduct a completed investigation. In some cases, this could happen because inferior quality material was used in the construction or because of a defect in a key piece of the bridge. In other cases, the bridge was designed only to support a certain amount of the weight and no more. Thank you. Bye.